Welcome to Review Detective, guys. For those that are new here, we're a product review channel in which we give our average consumer's point of view and tell you if the product is worth buying or not. Now in today's video, I'll be giving you a couple of tips and tricks on the Ikawa coffee roaster, which I've been using for more than a year now. For those that remember, I strongly recommended this roaster in our initial review, so I'm happy to say that the roaster still works perfectly after a full year of continual use. Now my first tip when it comes to the Ikawa home roaster is to not overfill the doser. I usually fill it up to the quotient line or no more than 50 grams, which I find gives me a more even roast as the hot air circulates better through the beans. Secondly, if you're in a rush to roast a quick batch, you don't actually need to connect the roaster to the Ikawa app. In fact, when powered on, the machine remembers the last profile used and you'll only need to push the power button. You'll notice that after roasting a couple of batches, the top glass can get quite dirty. So to properly clean it, you'll need to pull it up from the magnets that hold it in place. Just make sure that the glass and other parts of the roaster are cool to the touch before doing so. Now once removed, you'll be able to properly clean the glass as well as the rest of the machine. Additionally, like I said in the Ikawa review video, the roaster releases minimal smoke. But if you run your roaster 2-3 times in a row, your smoke alarm might go off even though there's no visible smoke. So make sure you're close to a well-ventilated area when roasting. You can stop the machine at any time and put it into cooling mode by pressing the start button. Now for those that prefer more of an espresso roast, Ikawa has 2 profiles available for download on their website, which we'll link in a video description. It's also worth noting that while roasting, there's no actual roast limit, so you can do as many consecutive roasts as you want. Just be mindful that the machine will get quite hot. Now when it comes to brewing, a useful tip would be to degas your roasted beans for about 7 days for an espresso roast and about 12 hours for any other roast profiles if you want optimal taste out of your beans. So there you have it, guys, a couple of tips on the Ikawa home roaster. And for those that haven't seen the full review yet, we'll post a link in the video description down below. Now if you've enjoyed this quick video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next Friday. Until then, Review Detective out.